It's me, Jimmy again. So check out the links in the description box below. So the question is quite simple: is investing in an AI tool worth it? Yes, and no. 3 times yes and no. No is for majority of people. 3 times yes is for people like me. I buy a lot of software, mostly on deal from AppSumo. Sometimes $97, sometimes $59, and I use. I bought a lot of writing software based on ChatGPT 4, and I use for mockup. I bought a social media publishing software, and I use. But again, I have to have a clear understanding of web marketing, digital marketing. I have to have a clear product. If I want to make money, first I need to fix my foundation. ChatGPT help you like 10 to 20%. Maybe it help you like 80% in saving time. But in making money, it do not help you a lot. Hardly it's more than even 10%. If you can't make money without ChatGPT, then even with ChatGPT, you can't make money. I'm not stopping you. You should use this software, but again, have a clear product, have a clear vision what you wanna do. That is my answer. Use the ChatGPT or AI-based tool, but with a clear vision, with a clear understanding, with a clear goal. Don't just blindly, I'm gonna use ChatGPT or something to write an article. I'm gonna blogging millionaire. You are going to be a blogging slumdog millionaire. Grow up. Stop overhyping everything. Majority of people who are making YouTube videos are not earning any money from ChatGPT. Oh look, I make 5K. I did this screenshot editing in Photoshop. Yeah, that's all. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out the Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.